Hey guys, so this is just a quick recap of the Doogee S110. Before we dive into it, I'd like you guys to know that Oukitel is coming with a very powerful rugged phone very soon. It's going to be one of the most powerful rugged phones in the entire industry. And of course, this rugged phone is packed with tons of cool features. It's kind of like the combination of power, durability, ruggedness, and so on, guys. So I'll be giving you guys the latest updates regarding the smartphone next month. So make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. You will not be disappointed. So without further ado, let's quickly look at the Doogee S110, one of the best rugged devices of 2023. Let's dig in. Hey guys, so this is the Doogee S110, the successor of the Doogee S100. The phone has a beautiful design, as you can see, and it comes in 3 beautiful colors, including sunshine gold, moonlight silver, and night black. So as we usually do on the channel, I'll be exploring the device's top features and specifications. If you're new here and you're interested in the latest tech updates, then kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dig in. So this phone is designed to be able to withstand harsh environments. The device is also rated IP68 and IP69K, indicating that it is dust and water resistant. Additionally, the device is military grade standard A10H certified, which ensures it can withstand various environmental conditions. The phone comes with a 6.58-inch Full HD Plus 120Hz IPS water drop notch display for smooth and vibrant visual experience. Additionally, it has a 1-inch customizable rear display with up to 23 styles, offering unique personalization options. The device is powered by the Helio G99, a processor that is clocked at 2.2 GHz and is built on a 6nm process, which means this device is expected to deliver smooth and powerful performance. Paired with the Helio G99 is 12GB RAM, and the device supports virtual RAM expansion of up to 10GB, giving you a total of about 22GB RAM. The phone also comes with a 256GB of internal storage, which I believe is more than enough for a lot of smartphone users. And this device runs on the latest Android 13, the vanilla version or stock version of Android, which means this device would not be shipping with unnecessary bloatware that would take up space. In the camera department, the device features a powerful AI triple camera setup with a 50MP Sony IMX766 sensor for high quality photography. It also includes a 24MP night vision camera for better low light photography and a 16MP wide angle and macro lens. For selfies, the device has a 32MP front camera. The phone has an enormous 10,800 mAh battery, providing extensive usage time. It also supports 66 watts fast charging, allowing for quick recharging. This battery, in my opinion, is expected to last for up to 4 days on a single charge, depending on how you use your phone. So other features of the Doogee S110 includes side fingerprint and face unlock. It also supports NFC, dual 4G SIM. As regarding the dual SIM, the phone offers flexibility in SIM card usage, allowing for either 2 nano SIM cards or 1 nano SIM card and a micro SD card for expandable storage. That is, the device has a hybrid SIM slot. So these are the top features and specs of the Doogee S100. I don't know its launch date and its price, but I'm expecting this device to be released this month, and I'm also expecting it to be sold for about $250 to $300. Anyway, I'd like to hear your thoughts about this new rugged phone from Doogee, so feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.